This is the HOAP Robo. We have designed an vision system for that. The camera is right over here, which is overlooking arena, where we have the basket which has a green circle around it so to detect it, and we have an illumination source also, and we have designed the vision system software in MATLAB. It's the HOAP system, and before that we have to ready a robot. Now the robot is waiting for commands, and here we have the vision system ready. First we have to select the serial port which is connected, the camera is connected to. Then we have this HOAP system. We have the start button which we click, which will start tracking the basket. So we can see the basket is at location 258,72. Now what we do is we give the initial throw. The robot will try to throw into the basket. Stop pananu. So we place the ball hand and we click the initial throw. Now what we do is it had quite missed the basket, so we replace the ball at the position where it had bounced. The ball had bounced somewhere over here, so now the camera detects where the ball had bounced. We have a verify button. If you click that, the camera will detect where the ball had bounced. You can see that the ball had bounced at 235,65. So now if we press the corrected throw, the robot will try to adjust it and learn from the previous data. Now we can see that the ball came near to the basket, but still not quite there. The ball did bounce somewhere over here. So what we do is we place the ball over here first, and then we verify the position of the ball. We can see that the ball has moved closer to the basket, but not quite there. Now again the robot now learns again, and it keeps learning until it throws exactly into the basket. We'll try again. Now we can see the ball has hit the basket side, but still it has to go a bit more for it to fall inside. So what do we do now in such a case where we cannot replace the ball on the arena? So if we click the verify button without the ball, we get a prompt by which I can select where the ball had hit. So I select at the edge of the basket. So now the ball location is set, and I can make my corrected throw now. Now the ball did go into the basket, but it did not fall. We'll try once more. Now in such a case where the ball did fall, we can provide a success where if I place the ball inside the basket, there is a success prompt, and then we have a memory database running, by which if we refresh we can see that it has recorded the radius, speed and the pulse which is recorded. So the robot actually now remembers that for this throw we need this much power and angle. So we try to throw it again. Corrected throw, corrected throw, corrected throw. So we'll see if it falls into the basket now. Yeah, it's actually quite close again. We have seen that the ball actually moves close to the basket until it reaches the target. So now what we do, if we close this again, we close the system, or before that, if we do the initial throw, it will read from the memory and then it won't even check anything. It will just read from the memory and then it will throw. We'll try that one. So if I give init throw now, it said previous record found and initiating the throw. So it reads from its memory. It remembers where the ball had thrown earlier and then it throws accordingly. And for closing it, we just close it and done. That's it. And the memory still stays.